Hey, it's Josh Berker with TE Certified Heating and Cooling, here to talk about April air filters, what they are, and if you have one, how to change it. So an April air media filter is a high capacity media filter that collects significantly more dust and debris and lasts longer than a traditional media filter. Before I had my April Air 4-inch media filter installed by TE Certified, this was the type of filter that I had in my system. This is a traditional 1-inch media filter. This is really only good for protecting your equipment, if that. And technically, you're supposed to replace these once every month. Of course, nobody does. They quickly get full of dust and debris, and then they cut off airflow through your system, causing damage to your furnace and your compressor outside because it causes airflow issues over your coil and greatly affects the performance of your system, makes your home less comfortable, and of course it makes it more expensive to run your system before ultimately killing your system. So filters are super important, and it's super important to have a clean filter. I want a clean filter because I need maximum airflow running through my system, and I need a filter because I don't want any dirt or debris to collect on my coil or my furnace. So we took out the holder for our old 1-inch filter and we put in a April Air 4-inch filter. If you have one of these, I'll show you how to replace it. So here is the replacement cartridge. It's an accordion style, so they pack very nicely. And then when you open it up, they open up like this. So as you can see, this is significantly more surface area than you have on a 1-inch filter. This is going to allow us to collect more dust. It's also going to allow more airflow through the system for a longer period of time, which means I don't have to change this as often. And so the way we change this is we take off the door here, and it just slides directly out. And you can see this one has done its job. It's collected a significant amount of dust and debris from my home, protecting my system, and of course not blowing that dust all over my home. So I'm just gonna close that up gently so I don't get dust all over myself, and I'm gonna put that in the box so I can safely discard it. And then the new accordion system has directional arrows on it, so it's gonna show you the airflow. I'm coming from my return up into my system and then out my supply, and so you can see my arrows show me my airflow. This is my airflow. It's very important these things are directional, so you want to make sure your airflow is correct. You want to make sure you follow the arrows. You simply just open up the accordion style, make sure you don't have any media that you can get stuck on, open it up and slide it into its slots. You want to make sure that it's lined up on the rails, slide it in completely, make sure it's firmly in the end, get your door, and snap your door back in place. It's that easy. If you don't have a 4-inch media filter from TE Certified, I highly recommend it. They're fantastic for keeping your air clean and protecting your system. Also, you only have to replace them once every 6 months, which is significantly better than a 1-inch filter, which you have to replace every 1 month. Obviously, we'll be glad to come out and replace it for you, but that's a quick tutorial on how to replace it yourself.